Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can translate a document in Google Docs. This is useful when you receive a document in a language you don't understand, need to send your work to someone in another country, or want a quick draft translation before cleaning it up manually. So firstly you want to open your document which you want to translate, then you're gonna click on Tools at the top menu, and from the drop down you want to find Translate Document option. If you select it, this is going to ask you for new title because this is going to create a separate document, basically the copy of this same document, but translated into language you will choose. So here in this dropdown, you can choose whatever language you want. So let's say I'm gonna find my native language, which is Slovak, and then click on translate. Now this is going to redirect you to this newly created document. So if you didn't rename it, you can rename it anytime you want. Just double click on this name. As I'm looking on it, I can see some small mistakes. So keep in mind, this is a machine translation. So for anything formal or important, it's worth reviewing by the person who actually knows the language you are translating to. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.